Hello! Today we will tell you more about the ZETLAB vibration test control system.
What is the ZETLAB vibration test control system?
ZETLAB vibration test control system is a hardware and software complex designed for vibration tests of any complexity. The system is a controller for shaker controlling. Various types of sensors can be connected to the controller. Test modes are set from the computer using the software included in the complex.
What advantages and disadvantages of the ZETLAB system over the systems of other manufacturers are?
If we compare ZETLAB system with the systems of other manufacturers, it should be noted that ZETLAB is inferior to some systems in terms of technical characteristics such as frequency and dynamic range, the presence of the caller channel and others. However, at the same time, the capabilities of ZETLAB system are sufficient for performing particularly any tests. A more detailed comparison of the systems is presented on our site zetlab.com. Also, ZETLAB system has undeniable advantages. ZETLAB controllers allow you to connect and work with laser displacement sensors of the middle price segment. For example, RIFTEC costing about $1,500, while other controllers work only with laser sensors of the high price segment costing about $40,000. In addition to laser sensors, ZETLAB controllers also support the connection of other equipment in the budget segment. Also, strain gauges, acoustic sensors, sensors with a current signal can be connected to ZETLAB controllers. Another important advantage is the constant support of ZETLAB equipment and ZETLAB VIBRO software. In addition, compared to controllers from other manufacturers, the prices for ZETLAB controllers are much lower. These prices are set specifically as part of the campaign to promote ZETLAB controllers on the international market as affordable equipment for monitoring and measuring vibration.
What is the difference between controllers of previous and modern versions?
We have discontinued the previous shaker controller, so the price on this is higher due to non-serial production. Modern vibration testing control system is a new enhanced controller version.
It is possible to perform tests according to MIL STD810GH current revision using VCS ZETLAB.
ZETLAB VIBRO software allows you to generate profiles according to the requirements of the standard MIL STD810H and provides the user with a wide range of test modes: gunfire impact, shock response spectrum, field data replication, fatigue damage spectrum, kurtosis control, sign on random, random on random, and sign on random on random.
Is there an automatic notification about ZETLAB software update, or does it need to be monitored manually?
ZETLAB software automatically notifies if there is an updated software version. All necessary files are also available for download on our FTP server. ZETLAB software is regularly updated. The ZETLAB software release is released every 6 months, and every month we release better versions with new changes and improvements.
If we want to increase channel quantity, can we increase it later?
The modular principle of the system structure allows to increase the number of measuring channels from 4 up to 128.
Can the graphs of displacement, velocity, acceleration and frequency be seen in software?
Now we will tell more about software.
Can the graphs of displacement, velocity, acceleration and frequency be seen in software?
Yes, the software uses acceleration, velocity and displacement during the test, which it receives through integrating and differentiating filters. These signals are also available for analysis.
Can an automatic report be output as a Word file?
Yes, the VCS software has the option to save reports. To save, you need a pre-prepared report template with keywords. At the end of the test, and when you click the report menu item, the program generates a document with test data.
Can the results be exported to Excel?
All the resulting data in the form of graphs are saved to the hard disk of the computer in the DTX format and are available for conversion to Excel via the ZETLAB software.
If necessary, can the test be stopped by an external signal?
This option is available. It's an external button operating via a digital interface with the VCS controller.
Does it have a signal clipping feature?
Yes, the VCS software for random vibration tests has the option to limit the signal peak factor and control kurtosis.
If there is a control problem due to resonance, are there parameters in the software? Then can be changes to deal with it.
When setting up a test profile, there are several test parameters that are responsible for the working on resonances. These are such parameters as, for example, limiting the dynamic range, limiting the output voltage of the controller, smoothing the control characteristics, etc.
Can test profiles be saved and recalled later?
Yes, in any program you can save profiles and use them if necessary. There is also a database of standard profiles taken from regulatory documents. Thank you for attention. For more information, visit our website zetlab.com.